your little bubble, but you gotta wake up to reality.
We're in Dubrovnik. It's my very first time in Croatia. We're here for 3 nights. We're staying in Hotel Excelsior. It dates back to 1913 and all the top stars have been here, including Queen Elizabeth II. It's a 5-star hotel. We got a really good deal on booking.com. And yeah, we just fancied a little bit of sun away from Wales. It is stunning. We've arrived here at sunset and it's so beautiful. We've got a partial sun view. They've upgraded us a little bit. We are actually situated near one of the most famous viewpoints of Dubrovnik Old Town. We're about a 10-minute walk away from the town. And yeah, this hotel apparently is the most iconic in Dubrovnik. I think for flights of EasyJet from Bristol and accommodation for 3 nights with bed and with breakfast as well, I think it was about £350 each, something like that. So yeah, it's not too bad then. We're going to have a drink in the bar down here and then we're going to walk over to the old town. The weather is going to be up and down apparently. Tomorrow's supposed to be nice. So tomorrow we're going to do a Game of Thrones tour. Has to be done. And we're also doing a Tuk Tuk tour as well if we can book it. And the following day, we've got a bit of a rainy day. So we want to walk the walls. And we'll go from there. Yeah, I'm just really excited to be here. It's been on my bucket list for years and years and years. So I'll just share it all with you.
Dreams, tears are a proof of failure. You just gotta let them flow without judge. There's so many ways to be happy. You can do whatever you like. You don't have to be ready. You just gotta trust the right. Don't have to be scary. You just gotta follow the light. You're able to be happy.
We've come down to the bar. Obviously it's going dark now. The sun is set. We've got some Aperol spritzes. We don't know how much they cost. We're going to find out in a bit. But the plan is to walk into the old town. And we found a street. It's known as Lantern Street. And it's really beautiful apparently. And we should find somewhere to eat. It is Sunday. It is still March. So hopefully we will find somewhere. But the view is stunning. I can't wait to see what it looks like in daylight, to have a proper look of Dubrovnik from this side. So this is the older hotel, the one that's been here since 1913, and we had booked a room there, and this is known as the tower. So this is the new part. We are here. Yeah. What is the gate called? I'm sure it's called Ploče.
Oh, that we've passed that gate then. We've come to.
Yeah.
Oh no! Oh, we did come to that.
Oh,
gate.
that is
yeah.
it. Okay, let's go.
Like somebody's gonna give it to you. You gotta chase it, gotta believe it. You gotta go get it for yourself. 'Cause I can see in your eyes, your head is full of dreams. Tears are a proof of failure. You just gotta let them flow without judge. There's so many ways to be happy. You can do whatever you like.
Dubrovnik is absolutely stunning. It is so pretty. We're constantly like, oh look, it's just so beautiful. Just reminds us of Malta, Valletta, all the little narrow streets. And can you see behind me, look how steep those steps are. Super steep.
You have to be ready. You just gotta trust the right. Don't have to be scary. You just gotta follow the light. You're able to be happy. You can do whatever you like.
That was gorgeous. I absolutely adore Caesar salad, and the bread here is so lovely. So nice. So yeah, all gone. All gone.
You don't have to be ready. You don't have to be. You are like me.
Day 2 in Dubrovnik. Woken up, had breakfast, very, very nice. Buffet breakfast, and also you can order off a menu as well for some specialities. We're in a bit of a rush. We're heading over to the Ploče Gate, which is about a 25-minute walk away from here to join the Game of Thrones tour. But yeah, let's go.
During the winter time, when usually everything is shut down, and they were here only a couple of days. The whole seasoning was done in 4-5 days. They didn't film here. They were here. They wanted to film it. We left and they never came back. But because we are kings waiting, they had to put in a couple of things. But that's again season 2. Chop, and that's it. When I was working behind the cameras,
halfway through the tour and it's going good. It's so good. I'll catch you up soon. Can't talk much because we're moving fast. So we're in a little alleyway, we're having lunch, we're having sardine pate sandwiches. It's a really gorgeous spot. The weather today has been amazing. We've been so lucky with the weather. It's about 17 degrees, a little bit overcast this afternoon, a little bit breezy, but it's nice. Yeah, 100% recommend the Game of Thrones tour. It was 2 hours for, I think it was like 21 euros, or you could do the 3-hour tour, which was 30 euros, and then you have to pay an additional 30 euros on top to go over to Lockram Island. You also had to pay an additional 15 euros to go to the fort. You didn't have to, you could wait for everyone at the bottom. So we've got an hour and a bit now before we go on our Tuk Tuk tour. It's a 2-hour Tuk Tuk tour, cost us about 48 euros each. Really excited about that. Yeah, it's just really nice walking around here. There's lots and lots of people about. Obviously great weather, nice and sunny, and yeah, just enjoying our lunch now. We're looking for the buzzer bar now. Lots and lots of steps.
Turn right onto Križeviceva ulica.
Yeah, turn right, and I can't say what else it says. Oh shit, that's why you were looking at me like that. Okay. Yeah. Just walking back now to our hotel. We had the most amazing 2 hours on the Tuk Tuk. So good. I will link the specific one we went on. There's only 2 or 3 in Dubrovnik that do it. Our guide was called Noah, and he was new to the job, but really informative. He was telling us everything about Dubrovnik, giving us tips on Croatia as a whole. Yeah, really informative. And he'd only been working for about 5 days, I think. We went over to Banje and we went up the mountain. I can't pronounce it. Really cold up there, but beautiful views, obviously, of the old town, which you can see behind me. Heading back to our hotel now to chill, recharge before going back out for a meal somewhere. To give you an idea of how far our hotel is from walking to the old town, our hotel is right up there. And just literally about 10 minutes walk, I think, to the Ploče Gate. So our hotel is there above the blue boat, and we just walk across there, and We're in the Old Town. Beautiful. Wow, that does look so pretty. It looks really pretty from over there, but it looks stunning there, doesn't it? It's so nice. And this is where you catch the ferries over to Lochram Island, which you can't see.